Hi, I'm Katie Coates with the PR Minute, here to talk to you today about headlines. My experience shows that keyword density in articles is not nearly as important as keyword-based headlines. This goes for social media posts and anything else you publish online as well. First of all, headlines need to be based on news and facts, not on opinion. A catchy or clever headline is nowhere near as effective as one rich in key search terms. I shy away from using most keyword search tools because they guarantee competition. Instead, I find that my own imagination works better. I use Google search itself to search terms I want to rank for, and then combine the main search term with the terms from the searches related section that appears at the bottom of the page. Combining search phrases in these ways inside the headline is extra effective. Now, to make them even more effective, remember buyer or searcher intent to create targeted search terms. For example, note the difference between iPhone, which is an extremely short tail keyword with tons of competition, and the very targeted long tail search iPhone screen repair shop New Orleans. For local businesses or to appear in local results in smaller towns and cities, conduct what we call sideways city research. Now, the way you do this is to research terms that you search for in large cities such as London and New York in order to find out what to use for smaller cities and towns. This is effective simply because the search volume is greater in those big cities. Use city names and town names in your headlines and in your website URLs. And to add some extra juice, use the current year in your headline if appropriate. For instance, Best Sports Chiropractor Long Island 2019. Just be sure to keep a list of these headlines and go back to your assets in the new year to change the year in the headline if possible. Or just publish a new similar article with the new year once that year has passed. Some keywords that Google likes include discount, price, bonus, which is particularly good for online offers, city and/or state, new, affordable. Here are some pointers to increase search engine optimization on your website with your headlines. Number one, the headline and the title tag are important versus keyword density in the article or online asset itself. Two, put it in the page URL. 3. Use heading tag H1 on HTML. 4. Use description metadata and use 2 full sentences. 5. Use alt tags on videos and photos with the long tail keywords. For instance, look at this with buyer intent in mind. Social media scheduling software versus 9 top social media scheduling tools to save time in 2019. Compare Surf Report Oceanside against Oceanside Harbor North Jetty Surf Report and Forecast, or the beach in your brain compared to what the beach does to your brain. How about divorce lawyers versus best lawyers for divorce with children near me? Now, as a side note, if you are publishing a press release, the headline of the release is the most important element. The assets the release shares should also have search-friendly, long-tail, keyword-rich headlines. Now be sure to follow us at the PR Secrets on YouTube and Facebook, and we'll see you soon.